Hi folks, Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and we're in sunny Mesa, Arizona, starting to warm up, about 104 degrees today, and we've been busy. We've had a lot of couples, a lot of families coming in here, and well, buying up travel trailers. Why? Well, they're tired of being cooped up at home with the kids, and well, they want to get out of town. I want to speak directly to and specifically to the dry camper, the boondocker. Let me paint a picture for you. You've been on the road with the kids for 2 to 6 hours trying to get to a campground, and you've been in the car, the kids are climbing the walls, and you finally get to the campground, and then all the good spots are taken. Now what do? You got two choices. You can find a campground that's real easy to get to, or if you're like me and you like to get away from everybody, where you're not listening to the neighbors blaring music until 2 in the morning, and you want to get as far away from people as you can and enjoy your time up there, you're going to have to go down fire roads, you're going to have to go down trails, and I see it all the time when we go up there. We see people trying to take travel trailers through these dirt roads or these rough trails, and they either high center or they get stuck. So the only choice you have if you want to get to the campgrounds that most people can't get to is right behind me. This is the 267 BHSW J-Flight. And what makes this special, what really makes this stand out, is the ground clearance. And again, that is going to be the difference, is the ground clearance. So from here to here you get over 2 feet, but that's not what I want to focus on because that's not realistic. Where it is realistic is the axle. The axles that sit right in here. That's 13 inches of ground clearance, and that is going to make all the difference between you going to a camping spot that is off the beaten path or being stuck with a bunch of people who can't go any further either. The nice thing about this is it is a Rocky Mountain Baja package. Now the Baja speaks to basically the flipped axle and the 16-inch off-road tires, which, like I said, you're going to need to get to the place where nobody else can go. That's the beauty of this one. Also, come on inside. Let me show you something. Nice thing about the Jayco J-Flight is you don't have a single wide bunk, you got a double wide. A single bunk, the single wide bunks, 300-pound capacity. This one gives you 600 pounds. 600 pounds because that's all solid plywood construction underneath. It's double wide so the kids have plenty of room up there. And if you're like me and you don't spend a lot of time inside the trailer unless it's pouring out and you guys are playing a board game or something, generally you're going to be outside riding your razor, your dirt bikes, your quads, fishing, you name it. You're not going to be in the trailer all the time. This one's perfect for you. You got room for the kids here. This table converts into a bed. Even this sofa. Pull this, oh, flat. Mom and Dad, got your bedroom in here. And you got pocket doors on each side where it closes, so you have privacy. That's a residential toilet, foot flush toilet, not a plastic one, so it's easy to clean, lasts a lot longer. All plywood construction. I'm not going to go into a lot of details with you on this, but it's certainly worth you coming down here and taking a look at. It's got a 17.8 gallon quick recovery water heater on it, so hot water is a good thing. This is the #1 selling floor plan right now. This is the 267 BHSW. And again, if you're like me and you like to get off the beaten path, this is the one you want. Now come back outside, let me show you something. You got an automatic awning, LED light strip at the base, really lights up well in the campground. Come up to the front. If you're going to put a weight distribution hitch on this, you're going to want a powerful front jack, and that's what you have here. You put your weight distribution hitch on here, we can hook you up. We also have that available. We are a professional outfit. We'll make sure you're leaving here safe, but you want a power front jack. It'll make it a lot easier to get that weight distribution hitch on and off. You got twin 30-pound LP tanks in here. Solar prep, so if you want to get like a Zamp 120-watt solar panel, you can plug it in here and it will keep your batteries charged so you don't run them down. Overall, this is a great trailer. You come back here. Personally, I'm not allowed to cook fish in the kitchen. I have to go to the barbecue in the back. So if you're lucky enough to catch a trout, got your grill set up right here. That goes here. That goes here. That's where you heat things up. outdoor fridge for frosty beverages. I mentioned that grill earlier. You get an LP quick connect right here, and you get an LP line with it, so you can have a little grill off to the side. So again, if you want to grill some trout out here, you can. You got a roof ladder, 4,500 pound load capacity roof. So one of the things we like to do is get up on the roof and check out the Milky Way up north. When you're away from the light pollution, stars are beautiful up there. You can get up on the roof, check everything out. Again, beautiful unit, 267 BHSW J-Flight. Come on down, take a look. Again, I'm Brian Dacey. Thanks for watching.